Design of green infrastructure for ciclovías connectivity, Sinchirroca Zonal Park, Naranjal Metropolitano, Comas Station. The parts of the exposition are Introduction, Materials and Methods, Site Analysis, Study Area, Development of the Project Proposal, Results and Conclusions. Introduction. Lima's longitudinal expansion made the distance between one point and another within this same area increase. Thus, new modes of transport arose that were modernized as time passed. Precisely, these new forms of transport, which seemed to solve the problem of distances, today become a big problem. They continue to make the same road, but with an increase in the travel time due to a large number of inhabitants and the vehicle fleet, which generates a high rate of contamination throughout the territory, reducing the quality of life of users. So this becomes a significant dilemma since it has contributed to the city collapsing, causing disorder and chaos on the roads. Derived from this situation, there is also a strong loss of productivity man-hours if the amount of time invested in transportation by metropolitan inhabitants is considered. In urban areas, the benefits provided by green infrastructure are significant due to their contribution to the health and well-being of citizens. Among its many benefits are the improvement of air quality, the tempering of the urban climate, and the consequent reduction of the urban heat island effect. Therefore, this research aims to propose a green infrastructure designed for the connectivity of bicycle lanes from the Sinchirroca Zonal Park to the Naranjal station of the Metropolitano, to improve the quality of life of users, proposing a new model of a sustainable city and creating awareness regarding the excessive use of motorized vehicles as a consequence of the population increase, focusing on the mobility approach and achieving an improvement in the level of service, providing a primary contact with the natural environment that influences the physical health and mental well-being of the users. Materials and methods. Site analysis. The investigation was delimited in the Sinchirroca Zonal Park of the Naranjal station of the Metropolitano in Comas District, Lima. The Comas District is located at an altitude that varies from 150 to 811 meters above the sea level, so it is at a higher altitude than other districts of Metropolitan Lima. Study area. In general, the region's climate is arid, subtropical, hot, humid, and without regular rains, warm in summer and temperate in winter. Winds are originated from the soil's uneven heating, which causes that in the day the winds are from the sea to the land, and at night they are from the land to the sea, whose speed goes from 6 kilometers per hour up to 14 kilometers per hour, with orientation from south to north. The development of the project proposal. The methodology to be applied to determine the optimal route for the network of bicycle lanes was referenced from the Manual of Criteria for the Design of Cycle-Inclusive Infrastructure and Cyclist Circulation Guide, which is based on a specific diagnosis of the cycling mobility patterns and the characterization of the district. This determines a road layout adaptation process that gives priority to certain lines within the network. This bicycle mobility network includes a primary network and a secondary network. It is intended to use eco-friendly materials offering resistance and portability. The bamboo cane is a primary material for constructing bike paths and furniture. due to its richness in flexibility, durability, and lightness, which allows the seismic loads to be reduced and lose importance. This feature makes the difference to any traditional bike path design due to its raw materials durability. Other materials are also combined with the cane in different furniture areas. The place's idea is conceived because its road lines are discontinuous, which do not connect safely and do not have a coherent destination, showing a notable lack of basic bicycle lanes and signaling, generating the insecurity of the users of these roads. Results. According to the survey's positive results, users agreed on implementing a green infrastructure design for the connectivity of bicycle paths, responding to the needs of the users and improving road safety, confirmed requirements under the application of this instrument, where in the question, what is the need to use the bicycle as a means of transport? According to statistics in the district of Comas, the population's need for mobility refers to work as a main factor, with 36.30% and study with a 55.20%. It is worth emphasizing that the most students and workers take advantage of these trips either to their work or place of study to make purchases or carry out procedures. We can see in Figure 5 the distribution of the infrastructure of the corridor design, in which A is a waiting space, B are social spaces, C are green corridors for cycling and green areas, D ecological spaces for the socialization of people, E and F use of ecological materials and green roofs as well as the use of solar panels, H bicycle parking, and I the design of the corridor. Figure 6 shows the bike path road with the appropriate green infrastructure design to promote this sustainable transport. Figure 7 shows the optimal road for users on the Comas District byway. They are spaces that allow generating microclimates for the comfort of users and recreational spaces for the socialization of people. Figure 8 shows the green infrastructure design in the second main bicycle parking lot located in the Naranjal station of Metropolitano. The materials proposed are eco-friendly to minimize environmental pollution. Conclusions. The feasibility of this project of a green infrastructure design for the connectivity of bicycle paths from the Sinchirroca Zonal Park to the Naranjal Metropolitano Station in the Comas District is of great benefit, especially for the population aged from 14 to 25 years old, who is the 58% of the population surveyed in this research, which for the most part are students from either primary, secondary, and higher level institutions, being these economically inactive and dependent on their elders. Therefore, this project will benefit the economy in a large percentage. Consequently, the project seeks to consolidate the trend worldwide with a slogan of improving the quality of life and caring for the environment. Thus, the proposal is built with eco-friendly materials, whose purpose is to achieve sustainable development, reducing pollution, environmental, and traffic congestion. Thank you.